How students can earn money while studying. With the growing availability of online work, freelance opportunities, and campus jobs, many options are available to help students earn money part-time. Online work, surveys and selling products and services are two popular options to earn money online. Selling services and products, such as graphic design, writing, and photography, on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy can also provide a source of income. Writing, graphic design, and coding are popular freelance fields in that students can offer their services. Campus jobs, working on campus provides students flexible hours and a supportive environment. In conclusion, students can earn money on a part-time basis, including online work, freelance work, and campus jobs.